You are watching The Mouse Break, your home for all things Disney and more. If you enjoy your time here, you can find us on your favorite social media channels, and remember to like, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified when new videos go live.
Good evening, friends, and thank you for joining us. Tonight, we're delighted to present a special sneak peek of Together Forever, a Pixar Nighttime Spectacular, which officially begins on April 26th. You are among the first to experience this incredible preview that will take you to friendship and beyond. Together Forever welcomes new Pixar friends, reimagined music, brilliant projections, and exciting new pyrotechnics that are sure to brighten your evening. And now, we invite you to enjoy this special preview of Together Forever.
Listen, it was quite delightful meeting you, but I have to study my scares.
You don't need to study scaring, you just do it.
Just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. Hey, what you doing? Can I help you? Hi, I'm Dory.
Something's wrong with you. Read it.
Boing, 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 you can't have me.
I'm waiting.
I'm Ember.
I'm Joy.
I'm too sad to walk. Oh! Would your friend like to play? Bing bong, bing bong!
Good afternoon. My name is Russell.
I was born for this.
We're about to find out. I don't think that's daylight.
glad you came. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye now. Bye. Bye-bye. Remember, please discard all candy wrappers and popcorn containers in the nearest trash receptacle.